Sa aboa papa no sa video we mo fan tag ne mame because mba be expose no ani sa ponche no wa ye nanim se ahya woni atambo no mo fa sa video we en fan send no odwen se ye mu bi ni ye nkwala ho ana se so mo omu kasa enye ya adwen na editie ye di eni keke e na ehwe omo into whatever they say no na ye njindi sa yenti krom ha e no mu ina kwa America omu koka se omu hwehwe Tini Jonas no mako bebia wo ye adwuma ha yenti krom ha ana video na omu kasa mbe video no tu ha like video na ekọ eno ano no obi ani ho beka ko hwe video no e dia ba be expose omu no problem without wasting any time mama yenti sa video we time na omu free America ba Ghana no asema obeka kire Ghanaians mama yenti You taste? Semwa mwati asema okae. Semwa mwati wasi obsin odaye ni communication ena anko yiye. Ni communication na anko yiye. And omo ko to support the president. Meanwhile, we didn't see them anywhere near the president though. But we saw them on the streets of America searching for Tini Jonas. And Osanka said they didn't go to any oni maybe a Tini Jonas here juma. Anami boa. Onim Tini Jonas oni maybe omu ye juma. Me ba bebo video. Time na omo America na omo ye video no. Min kasa bebre. Me pese omo nu mu asem na ye nyina ye ntie. Na before ye betie no mo mensantie we. Ye nsantie we. Mo ntie ni ye. You see, politics is a game of intelligence, but unkrofo we dey is the omu game na omu play is the game of foolishness. Yes. Me bobo video we nso akire mu. Tam na omu ko America no. Na mo amatie omu anum nsem. Na mo as citizens, as Ghanaians, as MPP supporters, as NDC supporters, as whoever Muntie nsema mukan.
I am here and then mashada ko adwuma mu akɔhwehwɛ no hu no me pese me no osubam
was oma sheda akɔ bebi Tini Jonas ye adwuma ena baako no aponche no why nanim say pinfo ana say sebi ye kan say ahyawo ni atambo no wase wani owusu bempa watekire ho apempem deni yen koso
ba ke owusu bempa ni wono ani me ko ene ko requifera
Tini Jonas fortunately unfortunately you know yaba America see yaba America you call Ye na die frɛ dwuma mu amasese no onim ba bi onenam.
Hey, I come from Ghana. I don't come from your country. I don't come from your country.
The fee for problem near the other. Am I so on the fee to
buy our address?
oh problem. I'm at see Jonas, New York City near now. Look. Yeah. Glass and kwa yerano. Is it what Granny is so she
Say Mati. In your ears. In your ears. Say Mati. Me anya fe na me bebe ka nsensem na wokan mo asom. Mo amotie nsem na wokan ye no. So me edidi atembi wo okrampo nyami na me di no. Me ba ha se ba be expose no. Me ba be catch ne se na adwun so. En woka se Ghana fo nyina no madwun eye ketekete. Mudu wa brochere no mantimi anye dede. Meanwhile, wo say moko abrochire on moko di mo president echi. Mo say fixing the country. No problem. Agenda ni nyina ne say mo ba be catch rain say and I say mo be kire yen ade a president na that is the main reason mo creative fixing the country. It's not bad idea. But yet ye who single thing muka ya muka tre Akufo-Addo aye. First press conference I'm here is all about John Mahama and corruption. Musa free abrochire muko abrochire no yet muko ya na musi mudi president echino like you didn't say anything reasonable sensible and I say adia Akufo-Addo koye wo ho. Fine yet ase masa ba Ghana instead say mu be ka adia Akufo-Addo ekoye wa America no musa ngba ya masa ba be attack Captain Smart ewa Ghana. Mu attack personality instead of telling us what the president is doing. And you are telling us you are fixing the country. You are totally confused. Mpemfo amunnim nyansa. Mpemfo amunnim nyansa. Inti wey no biti baby no catch you say sebi mo jimia. What did you matem? Obiti ho no catch you say sebi mo jimia. What did you matem? What did you matem? This is what you exhibited like Brofunu Krampomba. And na muda na dino. Senseless things nkwa na mu ye. Usamba ya yemamu se ne tu se de mukotena o akotena e na uye dede open dede wan kanya sasemba akumpo ewo. I wonder say still MPP 40 ho and omo hwe say sankrofo we they are making the party unpopular and nobody is talking. With this kind of propaganda na mo ye no is so light. MPP for mo sorry enye sir it's getting worse.
Brooklyn, oh baby. Hope say you be call Brooklyn, oh go right now. Oh Queens, sorry, Queens Boulevard. Queens Boulevard. No, Queens Boulevard.
So for now, what you do?
What do you
masumo, mamutie. Enya fe na mabe kasa bebre. Momentie blogger bi, ono so obeka nyansasem. Momentie no. Definitely.
Sorry, and I shall you. Sebi sorry, I started with baby. Na edeba. Na edeba. Se opinion oni munyansa. Na oni future no.
Definitely.
Se edeba baby ede no. You make sure say asi. Yamfa ehu ensie anokwan.
Oh my God. Definitely. That is the only thing we need, Mr. President, Mr. Nana Akufo-Addo. Since idea we share, at least as a president, as a father, I was saying nanka uba bonting. Like the way now, you kind of saying, damn now corona by call lockdown. ana corona buy na obe addressing nation or record videos upon videos. At least do something like this. Come and talk to your children. But because of politics now, mako school edure still munim wenu enye jumano. Wenu enye jumano. Until you people think say obia wakasa biano, he belongs to a certain particular party. Even if the person belongs to a particular party, he is under you. Una ushano, una control no. Besides, ene to abanema o. Enya wo ena to abanema ye. We are the ones paying you. Inti e wose wo tie yasem. Whether you're opposition party or whether you're opposition party, you have to listen to us. Because even opposition party, he is not your enemy. He is also a Ghanaian. And as a president, you need to come out, address. That is the only thing, Nanka. When you know, president, come out, come and talk to the youth. Beshayam crying. That is the only thing the youth want. But this president say yenti obia.
Eno yenti ni ma biase. Mona mo top for mo tibi biase. Friend. Calm down. Talk to us live Facebook. Ye as a drop of your Facebook we dey abro. Bra Facebook, come and talk to us. Nana, I say me mabru matema say. Ya boy homo dey try. Eh same ya ye. We as na kodru na mo die ye ni. Hwe.
Because ye can say Ghana na say no. Enye sisi na ehwe ase o. Da bi. Enye sisi na ehwe ase. Ehwe ase free baby. And we are blaming the previous governments na mba ye no. But una sisi ade ni si una so. At least nipa beye bi wamba nipa beye bi wamba beye ni na. Nti shase ye bibi. Na like say something to us. Ebe ti ase Ghana for ti ase mase. But who say won't obia? Like you are praying say the fire should keep coming. And uti hodon and now say we are making the government unpopular. You as a government, you have to make yourself popular by doing what you promise. Uti ase
Just to calm the youth down. Calm them down. Tell you, calm the youth down. Share. As another share. Or boy filter. Oh my. Oh bibia. Now no blogger.
Oh, sa nation blogger na jana semano. Ono man eko. Ono yemfa yan kana sema yemfa na asem. Ono no Jimmy ko na Jimmy.